Today is the Southern Fried Cabbage Day. Right now we are frying up some bacon. That's the first step. Fry up some bacon and wash your hands. Finishing up the bacon while we're putting in the sausage. There'll be more sausage as the bacon finishes going in. And we're draining the bacon on the paper towels. And then we're going to do the same with the sausage. And then we'll drain the grease. And we'll be back. Alright, the sausage is done. I took out a lot of the grease. I got some of that golden brown goodness still in there. This is where you're going to put your peppers and onions. I've just got onions, so we're going with that. And we're going to let that saute to a nice, beautiful color. And then we'll be back. The onions are ready, and it's time for the cabbage to go in. I'm not using our fresh stock. I'm using a bag of frozen cabbage. So I'm going to put that in next. And then we're going to put a lid on, and we're going to turn it down to medium for about 10 to 15 minutes, and we'll come back. Alright, so the cabbage is cooked down, not all the way. So what we're going to do now is come in and season with all-purpose Kinders. I am going to open this side up, probably get more out. There we go. I measure with my heart. How do you measure? Do you go exact science, or do you measure with your heart? This is pepper, black pepper, and my secret. Old Bay. Season that up real good. And then what we'll do is bring all the sausage and bacon back over into the pan. You don't have to do this at this moment, but I like it to marinate with the cabbage as the last 10 minutes cooks. I just think it tastes better that way in the different ways I've tried. This all has been drained. And no, I did not crumble the bacon. Whoops. But it's okay. We can deal with that. So we're going to give it a toss. And then we're going to cover it up and cook for 10 more minutes on medium. Alright, it is time to take the lid off, always away from you. Oh, that smells so good. And this, my friend, is Southern Fried Cabbage. While everybody else is making your cabbage soup for you, I know your mouth is salivating for some of this. So go make your own. I'm about to dish up mine and my husband's and sit down at the table and have our meal. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. But go get you a bowl of Southern Fried Cabbage.